É isso aí. É viver o presente, viver o momento. É tão viver o momento que você nem sente que está a viver o momento, né? Você nem entende na altura. Já estou nas nuvens, a voar, exatamente. Essa é uma comparação maravilhosa. Voando. Mas hoje não vai estar aqui já. My name is Tiago Oliveira. I was born in Lisboa, started surfing in Caparica. My surfing life was born in Caparica, south of Lisboa, but then I came to Ericeira with my father and my sister. Estou aqui a fazer um documentário na Ericeira sobre esta gentrificação da Ericeira e queriam, pronto, falaram aí já com a maltinha e eu lembrei-me de ti para tu. The first time I came here, I saw the perfect waves and I was completely fell in love. I mean, it was easy to fall in love. I started surfing this wave, I did competition for a bit of time and then I wanted to do something that would permit me to making a living out of surf. After you live, you can open the... Podes abrir aí. So we bought this land, we put the first surf camp in Portugal, along with one in Peniche and one in Algarve. As soon as we opened this camp, we started to have the community, the surfers, the hardcore surfers, the Portuguese beginners, the visitors that were already coming to Ericeira. I mean, our surf camp was not the first thing to attract visitors and tourism. We had really amazing work. How do you fit so many boards in a small car? It's not easy. It's not really easy stuff to do, but we try. We try, and we do it. They saw us making some money, but we were making a living, not money. É bem aí?
Sim.
Beleza. Tinha uma música no Brasil que era Julieta tá me chamando.
Julieta.
After 10 years of doing this amazing thing, we got a letter. Julieta tá me chamando. You guys are going to be expropriated. You need to leave the land by this date. It's quite paradoxical that at the same time they were bringing a World Surfing Reserve that Ericeira is called to be today. World Surf Reserve means preserving, protecting. The Portuguese put the seat belt when they are already driving. Most the surf community, the hardcore surf community, knows that what happened here was a marketing plan to sell all the lands in the business. Whoever wanted to sell it, they would get 10 times more money for it because it's a World Surfing Reserve. Julieta, vamos pro coxo, porra. Vou surfar com a minha amiga Julieta. I wanted to keep my land, of course, but this is a shout out to all the people. Don't be afraid because our is still the only case out there. There's a possibility for the foreign community to live and to rent and to buy. There's a lot of people coming, loads of more people living in town.
Pegar uma onda é como se estivesse voando.
Wow. Essa é boa.
Esperando a onda chegar, tipo uma meditação.
You design the way you surf the wave by yourself. You do whatever you want. There's no one telling you what to do.
Você sente que é pra vir, tá vindo pra você. Você rema, 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 rema e sobe assim, flutua.
And now we surf the wave the way the crowd, the way that, you know, that we have to go around all these people. How are you going to do this? It's the flying. We are the flying, the new birds. Surfers are the new birds. Everywhere in this world, the water is ruled by the surfers. Here we are. When we go to the ocean, when we surf, it's pure meditation. It's pure holistic. It's pure energetic. Wow, look at these waves, Julieta, vai estar. This is the basic feeling. Agora a maré está um pouquinho cheia, mas a gente vai se divertir à grande ali embaixo. We might be able to make it work. Vai ser do bom. You need to fight it in a good way. Fight it in a good way.
Ai, que top!
Maneiro. Huh? The only way to fight is from the water to outside. We need to bring our feelings and our learnings from the ocean and from nature. This is the way we need to change this. Yeah? You guys know what's the funniest thing? Is that I might get this place back.